Hello, my friends, my kings and queens. Listen, right now, today, we're actually in a solar eclipse, which is what they call the Ring of Fire. This is when the sun, the moon, and the earth is in total alignment. This brings energy, this brings alignment, restored, and a new beginning. So there's positivity that's coming your way. So in this moment, in these moments, stay positive. Think on the things that you've been blessed with, the things that you have. Let's look forward to the future. Stay in the flow. There's new things coming. You got this. Till next time.